Welcome to 3404 Lonesome Spur Circle, our newest listing here in Wake Forest. A couple of great things I want to show you about the house. We're in the Carriage Run subdivision right off of Forestville Road. If you're familiar with the area, really quiet neighborhood, a wooded backyard, and a downstairs master. So come on in, let's check it out. Yeah, she stayed home sick from school today, so it's take your daughter to work day, right? You gonna help me tour? You don't know? Okay, I'll do it, and you just tell me if I get anything wrong, okay? Okay. All right, so as you walk in, first thing you'll notice is this awesome office with closing French doors. I know so many people working from home today. This is a really important room, probably one of the most important rooms in the house to have other than the kitchen. Tons of shelving, tons of cabinetry, nice bay window. Really a great place to put a desk if you're spending long days at work in the house. As you walk through the dining room, could be altered as a formal sitting room if you're not into a formal dining room, but it flows really nicely into a really spacious kitchen with an island, tons of counter space, granite countertops, oak cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and it's really open to this living room with a vaulted ceiling. It's great because it's open enough, but it's also closed enough to where if you need to get away, you're not all right on top of each other all the time. You can see we've got a built-in desk. This would be a great place for like somebody like her to sit and do homework, right? And not have to be off all by herself. Put a little computer there, family computer. Feature I wish our house had, actually. Really good sized walk-in pantry. For a house this size, it's a very generous amount of space. 2,500 square feet, more or less, the house, when I say the size. A laundry room right here off of the kitchen. My favorite features of this house is this amazing 3 seasons room. You can make this a screened porch by just lifting up all these panels, or you can keep them closed, let it bake from the sun, and you can use this all year round because it's going to self-insulate and self-heat through the sun's energy. So between this and this wooded shaded backyard, fenced in, I mean, if you're into spending your fall nights outside while maybe your kids are playing in the backyard and you want to watch them, this is a great place to be. So really nice feature, and you don't have to sacrifice the deck. Let's actually go outside. So room enough out here for another couple of chairs. You get the fire pit and the patio down there. So really the best of all worlds in the backyard here. I could tell they create a lot of great memories back here.
You also have the firewood.
Stack of firewood just ready to go, ready to be burnt, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thanks for pointing that out. It's hot, isn't it?
Brutal, yeah.
Good call on the jacket. What is that? That's a great question. That is where you turn on the gas, and as my very astute assistant is pointing out, we've got gas logs here in the fireplace. That is how you turn on the gas and turn off the gas to make sure if you're maybe leaving for town, you just turn it off to make sure it's safe. You've got nice 3/4 inch hardwood floors. You've got your wood registers here built into the floor. Really nice touch, and solid oak floors. If you didn't like the color, you could sand these down and restain them, no problem. The whole inside, all the living space, freshly painted. It's a blank canvas. Keep it white, white's in style, or slap your own color on there. This is really important, very high demand, master down, and it's huge. Probably 18 by 12, vaulted ceilings, just giving you a lot of space, tons of natural light, and a very generous sized walk-in master bath with a dual vanity, granite countertops, frameless glass shower. This is a really nice feature that they added, fiberglass basin, and then a really good sized walk-in closet. So plenty of space here for all your things. There are closets galore in this house and some actual attic storage upstairs, which I'll show you here in a minute. Okay, here we have the half bath for the downstairs. Take a quick peek in here and then we'll head upstairs. I can see these stairs being like a photo backdrop for prom where all the kids are lined up one after the other. This would be a great backdrop for that, right? Yeah. Step down here a little bit into this bonus room. So we have 4 bedrooms, not including this room. This is a true bonus. And if this isn't space enough, you've got some storage here. You want to show us the storage? I mean, is it hot? Yeah. Yeah. Unfinished storage here. Great for your Christmas decorations, holiday decorations, whatever you might have. All right, come on out of there. And then you get a closet as well. So plenty of room here for all your things. Let's go and see the bedrooms. We have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Bigger linen closet here. Each bedroom has a pretty good sized closet. Come check this one out. Walk in, really nice shape to this room. Gives it a little bit of character, not just the box. You get this little alcove here. Just gives you a couple extra feet. Put your bed up against here. Plenty of room for your dresser and what other furniture you might have. Similar size. All the bedrooms are really decent size. Each one, like I said, has their own walk-in closet. And finally, we have our hall bath here. We'll walk in there. I'll let the camera go. So basically, you've got a dual vanity with a separate shower compartment, toilet compartment here. One kid can be getting their teeth done and the other can be in the shower on the toilet. Nice to have that little bit of separation when we've got a shared bathroom on the upstairs. They left us the instruction manual for the thermostat. Really important. These Honeywell thermostats are really nice. You can actually link them to your phone. We're going to be pricing this house at $525, which is very in line with the market. I think it's a really high demand price point. It probably won't last a weekend. It might. Average days on market here is about 2 weeks, so I wouldn't be surprised to see this house get snatched up in the first weekend on the market just because there's just not that much like this for sale. So if you're going to be around, we've got a couple open houses this weekend, Saturday 1 to 3, Sunday 2 to 4. And again, the address is 3404 Lonesome Spur Circle in Wake Forest. Come on by and check it out. Thanks. Boom.